Yeah, the waves are pretty big here at Jensen Beach, Florida. You haven't seen these waves as big as this, but obviously the passing of Hurricane Nicole has generated these huge waves. I want to remind you of Hawaii, the waves you see in Hawaii and Australia, huge. This is Thursday, the 10th of November, 2022. Jensen Beach, Florida. Just taking a look. What happened after the aftermath of Hurricane Nicole. Let's move back here. And here people standing on the shoreline, just looking, just watching. There's been quite a lot of soil erosion here because the waves came in yesterday and took all the sand back to the roadways, and so you have these big old tractors and big old machines scooping off the dirt, the sand from off the roadway up and down this coast here, Hutchinson Island. So this is Jensen Beach, and then it's a part of Hutchinson Island. A lot of the roads were sort of clogged with sand, so there's a lot of soil erosion, beach erosion, which took place here over the last couple of days due to Hurricane Nicole, which has now passed. And apparently it's gone up to the Carolinas and the Georgia, and then further afield up to up east somewhere, the northeast corner of the United States. Okay. One more look. Every time a hurricane goes by, they have to replenish these beaches. They get terribly eroded, and they spend millions upon millions of dollars to replenish these beaches. They bring sand in, they try to plant grass and vegetation, but come the next hurricane, it's all washed away. They have to start all over again, costing millions upon millions of dollars. That's how they do it here in Florida. Okay. The treasure hunter here. Guy looking for treasure. Over and out.